You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. It's such a curious word this is. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to learn from. There are different pronunciations in English. Piezoelectricity, or in American English, piezoelectricity. Now, the alternative pronunciation is as piezo. I believe some reference as well, piezo. So it's all a little bit confusing. I believe there are three pronunciations: piezoelectricity, piezoelectricity, and piezoelectricity. So that's quite a lot. You can choose. I would go with piezoelectricity because this one we're sure is good and it's simpler. But it's up to you. What do you think? How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.